Okay, today here at Speedhaus, we are working on the Altima's big brother, little brother, the GTR. And to make the GTR a little bit better like its big brother, we are putting on the BOOSTLOGIC exhaust. Time for the unboxing.
You know, I honestly thought it was gonna be a lot more. I don't know what I thought was gonna happen. I thought you were gonna like come flying through the boxes or something.
No, I just personally think the Altima is the better car. You know, it is the true film car of the Nissan. The GTR is like puny.
Like, yeah, stick to BMW.
How many GTRs do you see doing flybys on interstate? None. I get passed by an Altima doing 120 on a daily basis.
That is true, though.
I'm just saying. I'm just saying.
He's got a point.
Yep.
Big old Nissan energy.
Uh-huh.
Oh, dear God.
I hope it's not like the last exhaust. I hope it's a bit louder.
I hope it's louder. And if we run into the stupid valve problem, I have one of those deletes.
Okay.
So we're going to unbox it and see if it has a valve or not. But we have a spare, just in case.
So if you know about the last exhaust we did, on another GTR, it's a blue GTR. Quite frankly, the exhaust was very, very quiet, and it was slightly disappointing, unfortunately. And then when it sounded good and all that, but like,
it was quiet.
We wanted some noise, and so, you know, I hear a lot of these Altimas with muffler deletes that are just super loud.
Way louder.
Right.
You know, so hopefully this one it's BOOSTLOGIC, so it's got to be good.
Yep.
Box number one.
Oh,
well, it's
that thing is massive.
Prettier.
Is it titanium?
I think
can't
it is,
tell.
man.
Oh.
Oh yeah, that looks nice. Well, we get style points right off the bat. So
yeah, I think
that's a win.
massive.
So the customer told me that the reason he chose this, because these are very expensive, by the way, but the reason he chose this one is he said it was the best sounding out of all the ones he had listened to on the internet.
Wow.
So
I'm gonna go ahead and say, I think it's gonna be louder.
4?
looks like it.
4.5. Holy crap. It's 4.5 inch exhaust.
Look at the old titanium tip as I drop it slinging across the shop.
Is it the same size as the tips?
Looks like it. Stock tips is 5 inches. These are 5 inches as well.
So, half an inch smaller.
Yep.
That's crazy.
And then there's your hole. There's the gauge's face. Size gauge.
Hey, don't lose those. That's important.
That would be bad.
Comes in with the marshmallows.
No, believe it. No one will ever know if you spit it out.
It kind of tastes like a cheese puff, I'm not gonna lie.
Oh no.
That's terrible. That is absolutely terrible.
Oh my gosh, it kind of sticks down through that. It kind of sticks to your teeth.
Bad idea.
Uh-huh.
It's super light. It's honestly...
Oh my gosh.
I know it's not flimsy, but it's
Yeah.
so light that it feels like a tin can. He was also not aware that it had a front mid pipe on it already. I was talking to him about it this morning, and he goes, "Really?" I said, "Yeah, that's like it's already been changed." And yeah, he had no idea.
It's okay, we'll put it on an Altima, the old one.
Mm-hmm.
Be prepared. Altima versus GTR.
Ultima Haas.
Jesus Christ. Gauges are certified Nissan Tech and drift cars.
License plate cover. But that's it for box one?
Should be for box one. Want another snack?
Yeah.
It's okay.
Are you sure? I mean, you look like you were enjoying yourself.
You got lunch.
I'll dip that in my Elmer's glue.
With your Tide Pods.
Make sure that you dye the Elmer's glue with like a marker.
The technique.
Precision skill.
I have a feeling it's going to be a lot different than the last
I feel
one.
like it should be going on our Cummins, not our GTR.
Yeah.
Every one of these pieces.
What is that?
Super nice.
Is that that's not a tip.
I go from downpipe to exhaust.
Possibly. Since it's got that flange. Jerky sucker.
Yeah.
It's so deceiving.
Yeah. The oil match is super strong. One or the other.
Definitely not. We can go with that. That's fine. That's crazy.
It's actually 80 pounds.
Yeah, 80 pounds. I don't have a knife, so.
It's okay. got that like gator strength. You don't need a knife.
Yes.
Did you toss hay bales as a kid?
You know, we didn't really have little bells.
No?
No.
No square bells?
I mean, the only squirrel bells we had were the big ones. We didn't have no little bitty ones. As y'all can tell, I wasn't very good at unwrapping my gifts for Christmas. Whoa!
Oh, gosh dang it. Ready?
Yep. I used too much tape.
Oh, that thing's crazy. This section
That's wild. That is a lot of pie cuts.
should sound wait, where's the muffler?
What muffler?
There is no muffler?
No.
Oh.
Yeah. Whoa. One. As you can see, Gage is not doing very well.
Okay.
Are you sure? I'm gonna pull him on the
Are we ready?
Like, this is already aftermarket, which is bigger. That thing's huge. There's all your springs to hold those joints together.
This thing is going to be loud.
I'll say, whoever they got welding at BOOSTLOGIC is doing a killer job.
Yeah. So, mad props to the fab guys over at BOOSTLOGIC, because this crap looks really good.
Hello! I can hear it.
So we are gonna start taking the old exhaust off and get this thing put on.
Yep.
Can you tell? A little smoky. We started a car up and it smoked out the whole shop.
Now we're gonna freeze to death.
Are you gonna tell them what you bought for it? For Fruit Loop?
What did I buy?
They're behind.
No, they are behind. We haven't made a video in a while.
Mm.
It's got new carbon fiber in the car.
That's
Somewhere.
one thing.
Somewhere in the car.
We'll have to make an update video. So the clearance on this thing is none. There is no clearance.
No, I mean, look at this gap. Which is insane. Like, props to BOOSTLOGIC. I mean, it's crazy.
Like, they have to nail it every single time.
Yeah, that's wild.
Tight fit, but everything fits. It looks good. Okay, first startup. Cold start. That's way better.
Oh yeah, much better.
You know what's even better? I don't hear a rattle.
Yeah, the rattle so far, which is good.
Sounds good. I think it'll sound better driving.
Yeah, it won't let you do any of the like bar modes or any of that until it's up to temp. So, do you approve? Is it good? Huh? Do you like it? What?
Dude, he's got something hanging.
Yeah, probably his balls. I mean, his exhaust.
Dude, I cannot wait to hear what this sounds like.
100%.
Gage, you're up. You're the Nissan tech.
Okay, to get the gist, if you're new to Nissan or if you don't own one of these have a soft limiter in park and in neutral, so it's really hard for us to show you a good rev. So the only way to get an idea is we're gonna have to drive the car. Now we're not gonna drive it hard, very, you know, obviously it's a customer car, not our car, but we'll give you an idea of how this exhaust really sounds, because this exhaust is very expensive, and it's not an expensive car, so we really want y'all to get a gist of this really nice sounding exhaust.
Floor it?
Floor it.
Insert minion.
Yeah.
Floor it.
Yeah, so much better.
Yeah, you can actually hear it.
I know you're cold. You gotta
Yeah,
be
I'm
freezing.
cold. It's like, what, 30? So I'm not gonna last long. You need one. Big Ultima Energy.
That's a nice looking Ultima.
It's cold out here, Grandpa. I'm tired. I want to go home.
You should probably just go home now.
Yeah.
You're already in the street.
I'm in the car. Yeah, take that.
Alright, what are you doing first? Just casual?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. So good.
Yeah. You even got a little bit of spool, even though it's still got caps on it. There at the end, when it's slowing down. It sounds good. It sounds really good.
How's it sound on the inside?
Sounds good.
Sounds good?
Is it quiet?
I mean, it's quiet, but like you can hear it.
Yeah.
You know, you're not gonna not hear it.
Well, yeah. Like in the shop, for me on the lift, like the cabin's pretty quiet.
Yeah, but it's not like a stock exhaust, or what was the other exhaust? Tricks.
Yeah.
That one was quiet. So if you're wanting a little more noise, BOOSTLOGIC's definitely a lot louder. But it's not obnoxious by any means.
Gotcha.
Good deal.
Oh, what? A little harder one and some downshifts on the way back?
Yeah.
It's
that
really
was
not
good.
raspy at all.
No, it's like, that sounds gorgeous. I love it.
Oh. I hope the camera picks up the little bit of turbo spool at the end.
I hope so. That's nice. BOOSTLOGIC gets my vote. #1 exhaust for GTR. By far, that's been the best one we've put on.
You know, it doesn't sound like a tin can. It's like smooth.
Yeah.
So sick.
Kind
Kind of warm. Is it raspy on the inside?
Not really.
Does it drone?
Not bad at all.
No.
I mean,
From out here, it sounds like perfect.
yeah, for a Nissan Infinity motor, like this thing is like really good. It sounds good. This BOOSTLOGIC exhaust is like really good. This is probably the best exhaust we put on a GTR, like hands down.
Definitely.
That's cool.
Can you hear the turbo spool inside?
Not really.
No.
Not
You can
really.
hear it from the outside, even when you're down there.
Really?
Yeah.
I think downpipes on this car would really bring it up, but then we're a race car, you know, all of a sudden. So if you want the best bang for your buck, put downpipes and then BOOSTLOGIC exhaust, and it'll be crazy. But yeah, for a daily driver or somebody who likes to drive around a lot, this exhaust is hands down the best for a GTR.
For all the people out there, you know how to do launch control? Not to actually launch it, but just to hear it?
Yeah. I don't know how.
You don't?
I don't know. Let's try. Maybe if I. Yeah.
That's gotta be it, right?
Good enough.
Yeah.
Okay.
You hear that?
Oh, look. There it is. Found it.
Yep, got it. Whistle.
I know you're frozen.
I'm actually not as bad as
Are
I
you not?
anticipated. No.
My hands are.
Dude, I was
toast.
hot in the shop.
I guess that's it for this one.
Yep. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned. More stuff coming up on Fruit Loop and the white car. So stay tuned. We'll see y'all next time.